Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your DasherDirect account. So if you want to get acquainted with services like no fee daily payouts, also access to convenient banking and cashback on your gas, this is a perfect app to be on. And having signed up for your account, if you're wondering how login works, I'm going to guide you through the process. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the DasherDirect app on your mobile device, and then open up the app. After opening up the app, tap on the login button, and now what you have to do is you'll have to enter your email address and your password in order to be able to log into your account. Also make sure that when you do so, turn on the remember email section and enable touch ID, so that next time you try to log in from the same device, you don't have to keep re-entering your email address and your password over and over again. So this is basically how you can log into your DasherDirect account. I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to log into your own account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're reminded every time that we come up with a new tutorial video for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you around next time.